Yeah, okay. It's here now. Okay. So let me just arrange it. So I think you can see my pen now. So the smallest number here is what? 15.5. Followed by what? 16.
16.
And followed by what? 20. 18.5, sorry.
18.5.
Then followed by 20. How many 20 is there? Only 120. Followed by 22. Followed by 23. 23 is there.
Yeah.
Then followed by what?
56.
So you have to get it, this thing, let me just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just find the one in the middle. Can you see? Can you see what I'm canceling it out? So you only have this one in the middle. It's 22. That's it. So if you have two numbers in the middle, again, you can actually what? You add those two numbers together, divided by 2. So this is what I was doing. This is what I was doing. So, but that thing stopped. But this is what I was doing. So I have to like restart it. The distance between two villages on the map measures 6.2 centimeters. So the map has a scale of 1 to represent 2,500. So that's 25,000. Sorry. So I work out this scale. Can you guys try this question? So it's 1 centimeter represent what? 2,000. 25,000. Then what you need to do is 6 points. So you multiply by 6.2. So what is 25,000 times 6.2? You can mute yourself if you have a background noise there, please. So what's 25,000 times 6.2?
Sorry, where did you get that 25,000 from?
It's here now.
But it's 1.25.
No, it's not. This is not point. This is ratio.
Okay, ratio. Okay. What do you say now?
So what is 25,000 times 6.2?
25 times 6.2 is 155.
It can be 155. 25,000 6.2.
25,000 times 6.
It's 155,000.
155,000.
Yes. Centimeters. So you now convert this 155 to kilometers. You know, so if you want to convert to kilometers, the best thing you do is this. You convert it to meters first. So if you convert this into meters, what's going to give you? Divide by what? By 100.
100.
So that should be what? 1550. Then you now convert it again to kilometers. Divide by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be what? 1.55 kilometers. That's it. Just repeat 6 kilometers. So this one, you can just be pressing your own calculator the way you like. So for example now, which point, you can ask you this question. You have to circle it. Which point is 3, which point is 3, that has a coordinate of 3, 4? Which point has a coordinate of 3, 4?
Is it point B?
Yes, point B. Can you see? It's first 3, 4.
I know how we get those cheap answers. That's like bread and butter question.
Sorry, how did you get that one?
Which one?
The one you just did now.
So is that which point has a coordinate of 3, 4? So you have just to go to that place. 3. The x-axis must be 3, then y must be 4. So which point? Can you see is this point? 3, 4. The coordinate of C is going to be what? 4, 3. Can you see? 4, 3. The coordinate of A is minus 4, 3. The coordinate of D is 3 minus 4. So the one for B.
Have you taught this one in class?
But your accumulated value you have not done. This is called coordinates. It's part of level 1.
No, you have not taught us this one. This one is because we have common sense. That's why we got it.
No, this is part of level 1. This is level 2.
Yes, but you did not teach us.
No, level 1. Like for you to do level 2, you must have assumed that you actually know what is in level 1.
Okay, there was a question I wanted to ask you.
Yeah.
See, that question you did, just this one. When I see a question like that, my brain automatically goes to convert the value first instead of doing the calculation first.
No, you have.
If I was gonna.
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
So I can't differentiate when I'm supposed to do the value first or when I'm supposed to do the calculation first. That's the problem.
I think the best approach you could just use is try and do the calculation first when you convert it. So you won't get stuck, because when you see scales like that, they always match. They always have matching units.
Okay, so whatever question, I should just do the calculation for.
Yes.
Times it by the value first.
Yes, try and do it first before you actually convert it. So I think that one, that one will really help. Just hold on. So can you do question 2? Can you try question 2, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, just calculate. So yes, the 10 liters of gas is approximately what?
The answer is A.
Now we're supposed to just times it, isn't it?
Yes, 10 liters of gallon. So 10 liters in gallon is going to be
10 times. 10 times 4.546, which is 0.
If 1 gallon
when you times 10 times 4.6, it doesn't give you, or it gives you about 45.
Yes, but for example, now you can use one. So he said 1 gallon is this. So give you 1 gallon is this. So just need to put, okay, this is 10 liters now. Just put 10.
Divided by 10. It's divided by 10.
You get it? So you have to divide it by. So you multiply to get this. So the reverse is going to be divided.
Divided by 10 is going to be 0.45.
Yes, 0.45. So for example, now, sorry, hold on. I just want to write it with this thing so that that thing is like a bit slow. Just hold on a sec.
You see, now that's what I'm saying. You said I should just times it. Now I times it and it's wrong because
no, the truth is that when you are converting forward, you always multiply. So for example, now if they ask you that, how many liters is going to be 10 gallons, you multiply because you are going forward. But if they give the liters, they give the liters now, and I ask you that how many gallons will it be? So it's going to be what? 10 divided by 4.546. So you don't know how many.
So let's apply it to like meters and kilometers now.
So if I'm being given kilometers, I'm supposed to divide to get my meters. Or if
No,
I'm
you have to multiply.
I multiply to get my kilometers.
No, listen to me. You have to multiply from meters. You have to multiply kilometers by 1,000 to get to meters.
Okay.
So if you want to convert from from meters to kilometers, you divide by 1,000.
Divide by 1,000.
Yes.
So if they gave me now, what I will do is to divide it backwards.
Yes.
With the time that I've been given, because the gallon is more than the value I was given.
Yeah. So it's going to be approximately 2.2. It's going to be approximately 2.2.
So what's the answer?
It's going to be the second one.
All right. So it's not going to be divided by.
Yeah, it's going to be 10 divided by 4.5. What's 10 divided by 4.54?
Is it 0.45?
No, that's 10 divided, not 4.5 divided by. That's 10 divided by. Is that what?
5.
10.
Yeah, by looking at it, you can see that this is approximately 5 gallons and approximately that's 2 points. You don't even need to calculate it. But do we need to show our work in something like this?
Something like that. You might probably show your working, but in some cases too, you ask you to take the right answer.
What about if we should do it this way? I'm sorry. I just want to. What about if you do it this way? Just have to line it up and divide it.
That's how line it up in what sense? Like
yeah, like the 1 gallon. Then it's got to 1.5 liters. Then we're told 10 liters. You line it up.
Yeah, you can line it up too. So it's going to be division too. But it's just like if you are like what's it called? If you are very good with estimating. So if 1 gallon give you 4.5 liters, 10 if 1 gallon give you 4.5 liters, that means that 10 liters should be giving you approximately 2 gallons.
Yeah.
So which is B. So it's just straightforward.
Yeah, this question is actually simpler, but what I'm trying to get is when it's being given, the same question could be given in all those long sentence questions, then you get confused on how to convert it.
Yeah. So they can explain it from like A to like in a paragraph, but it's down left for you to actually decode it and what are you talking about.
But when the 10 liter divided by 4.546 is 0.4546.
It can't be like that. It can't be like that. You don't press the calculator very well. Press 10 first. Then press divided. Then I press 4.546.
Okay. All right. Okay, yeah. You're right.
So let me so I'm coming.
Yeah, they would say in the question, how many gallons can you get from 10 liters?
Yes. So can you try this question, please? So in this case, you use 5 at this, yeah. It's just to substitute that formula there. They work out the surface area, the nearest distance. They've already given the formula for the surface area. It's 4 pi r squared.
Yeah.
And the r means the radius. So they will tell you the meaning of r. The r means the radius. Okay, that's it. Yeah. And it's straight.
It means that there's a square that has 3 centimeters on more sides, isn't it?
No, just don't need to go that far. Just know that what's it called? Just substitute the values there and put it in the calculator.
2 times 3. And 4 times it.
So it's going to be 4 times
Times
3.142 times, when you say 3 squared, it's 9. So 3 squared means 3 times 3, that is 9. So you put it there. So put it in calculator now.
What is it? 3 points.
142 is written there.
113.
142.
412. Okay.
Not 412. It's there now. 142.
The answer is 113.112.
Yes. 113. So it's going to be what? Can you see? It's going to be this. So it's very straightforward. If you
So
like it.
we're multiplying 4 times 3.412 times 9.
Yes. 4 times 3.142 times 9. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're saying. Times 9.
Yeah, I wasn't like because I was saying something different. So that's fine. You get it, that's fine. So this is just substitution directly. It's a very straightforward question. You get it. So can you try this question? Can you do it?
Yes, you're doing it.
Okay.
So is it like 12 over 100 times 700?
Yes, 1200 times 700 is only project.
84.
Oh, is the
That's
answer?
84%.
So just wait. She said a newspaper reports that the company made 700,000 profits last year. So it says that this was 12% more than the year before.
Yes.
If you say it was 12% more than the year before, so how much do you think it was at the year before? 12% more. You know, I told you then. I taught this thing before when we were doing reverse percentages. You can go and watch the video.
I think it's 6,000.
Minus it from 700,000.
I think it's 6,100 6,000.
So what is percentage out of 100? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just
Again,
out of 100. So what you need to do is this: when you say it's 12% more, just add 100 plus 12%.
100 plus 12%.
Yes, 100% plus 12%. Because it said it was what? It says that it was 12% more than the year before. So if it's more, you have to just add it again. So, or you could do, I'm coming, this just do, I'm coming, 100 plus, we do 12, it should be showing. So, which is going to be 112%. So you now do 112 over 100 times 700,000.
Okay.
My like 4 years.
I'm just sorry. I'm just trying to see maybe I can actually get across to you because the join me this thing today is not really what's it called
Okay, let me say how I did my own. I did 700,000 minus 12%, which gave me 616,000.
Okay, 6-1 what? So what do you get for 12% of this thing?
That would be 700,000 minus 616,000.
Mobile camera zone 15 minutes.
Okay, so you do 12. Okay, the best way you could do it is this, so that you won't get it complicated. Because I think where Placidia is, you are traveling, so your voice is back and forth.
Ah, okay.
So it's I can't really hear you clearly, but let me just explain it. So if let me just explain the way I think you actually did it. You said you did 12%, which is what 12 over 100 times 700,000.
Okay.
Is that the way? And then
So
what do you get?
That's the way I did it. Since I'm using the calculator, I just did 700,000 minus 12%, which gave me 616,000. Now, I now wrote 700,000 minus 616,000, which gave me 84,000, which means my 12% increase was 84,000. But the year before, the profit was 616,000.
Okay. So, Mary, how did you approach it?
Yeah, the same. I did 700,000 divided by 1 times 12 over 100, which gives me 84,000.
Okay.
Then and I take away 7,000, and I take away 700,000 minus 84, which gives me 6,116,000.
So tell me, it's going to be something, yeah?
Yeah, that gave me 616,000.
Okay. So how did Anne did it?
So I did 112 divided by 100 times 700,000.
Okay.
Yeah. So that gave me 700. Oh.
It's going to give you
784,000.
It's going to give you 784,000.
784,000. Yeah.
So
the
then
784 minus 70,000.
So for example, so that means that what? That means that 84,000. They gave me the extra one. So you now take that 84,000 from 700,000. What's it?
Yeah, 784,000 minus.
No, just take 84,000 from 700,000.